Ever had trouble seasoning your food? Well, I'm here to help. Stickman over here is staring at his plate like it personally offended him. He grabs the salt, puts it down, grabs the pepper, puts it down again. Panic. First rule, if your food tastes like nothing, add salt. Not the whole shaker. Stickman dumps way too much and immediately regrets every life choice. A little salt brings the flavor out, not your tears. Next up, pepper. Stickman adds a few shakes and suddenly feels like a professional chef. Pepper adds a little kick, but it's not supposed to take over the whole meal. Now Stickman finds garlic powder. He sprinkles it and suddenly looks proud. Garlic powder makes almost everything better. Meat, veggies, even food you messed up 5 seconds ago. Then comes onion powder. Stickman sprinkles it on, and suddenly the food smells way better. Onion powder adds flavor without making you cry or cut anything. Next up is soy sauce. Stickman pours a little, then almost pours the whole bottle. Soy sauce adds salty, savory flavor, but a little goes a long way unless you want soup. Then, Stickman grabs ketchup. Is it a seasoning? Maybe. He adds it anyway. Suddenly, the food tastes familiar and safe. Finally, Stickman discovers hot sauce. 1 drop, then 10. Now he's running around with his mouth on fire, questioning his decisions.